The meeting in Ponda block was pertaining to the Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan program, which is going on in the state of Goa. Observers from All India Congress Committee are visiting all the 4 districts of Goa in order to strengthen the organization. People who are working at the grassroots level, people who can run the districts, people coming from different communities, castes, and have grassroots level strength. These meetings are taking place in order to take views of our leaders in each and every assembly segment falling under the Kushavati district. There are 8 assembly segments in the newly carved out Kushavati district from the Goa South district. And after interaction with Ponda leaders, many people who will be doing their one-to-one interaction with me, some people will be submitting their application forms for the post of DCC president. The criteria is loyalty towards the party. The criteria is no criminal track record of the person who is being proposed for the post of DCC president. There will be a lot of powers which will be given to the DCC presidents in the times to come. And when power is given, subsequently accountability and responsibility will also be added to it. And any DCC president who does not perform as per the rules and responsibilities assigned to him, his performance will be evaluated, and if not found up to the mark, will be replaced after 3 to 4 months. Whole idea is to strengthen the organization first at the district congress committee level and then at the block level, subsequently at the mandal and the panchayat level or at the booth level. As you all know that this exercise started in the whole country after the AICC session in Ahmedabad under the dynamic leadership of Kharge Saab and Rahul Gandhi ji. This is the 6th phase of this Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan, and many people in many districts, potential people, they come forward to become the DCC president, and also will be in the process of constituting a political affairs committee and the executive committee of the DCC, so that all the issues pertaining to the from the political front in a district should be discussed at the district level by the political affairs committee. In earlier time, there was only one committee of the political affairs committee at the state level, which used to raise issues pertaining to the state. So now, political affairs committee at the district level will also ensure that political issues of the district are discussed at that level, and those issues which are concerning the state should be raised by the district committee to the state committee. More number of youngsters from different castes and communities should be given representation in these committees and also in the district congress committees. And there will be a connect center at Delhi. Through the connect center, the roles and responsibilities of the DCC president for constitution of booth committee, block committee, mandal committee, and the mandal committee, all these committees, all the office bearers of the party who will be a part of these committees, they will be directly connected with the center at Delhi. So my whole submission is that to all the Congress party workers and leaders and even members of the civil society, that people should come forward and be a part of this process to become the DCC president of a district, as we are going to now constitute all the 4 district Congress committee presidents in the state of Goa. Thank you.